Yesterday I had the longest ever dream that the world was endless with possibilities. It had me thinking one should never forget that there are wonders we haven't seen yet.
Yeah, we're very happy to be back. It's always nice to be in Spain, and especially on a day like this. Just when we got here, it was just like blasting sunshine and just, you know, put on the sunglasses for the first time in maybe 6 months or something. So
yes, Sweden is quite cold still, and there's still some snow here and there. So.
When we released now maybe 5 or 6 singles or something.
Yeah.
First we released a track called Danger, and then we released M.A.G.I.C, and after we released M.A.G.I.C, things started picking up a bit. We got a lot of interest from labels and managements and stuff like that, and then we did Into the Clouds, and after that things got kind of crazy, but we didn't feel ready to. We had an album, but it wasn't good enough really. We're complete perfectionists, but so that happened, but then also we signed a really big record deal, and you know, and
we moved to London for at that period.
Yeah. And things there move slow. You know, when you get into the big commercial pop scene, like things move very slowly sometimes. I mean, when it moves fast, it probably moves super fast, but when it moves slow, it doesn't move at all. Put under a lot of pressure, and not in the least from ourselves. We really wanted it to be special.
Quite easy but for us,
press play.
No. But we have a lot of synths on the album, so it's maybe 30 different synths, and it's a shame we can't bring everything with us. Of course, so it's a bit sad that we can't take all the sounds we want with us everywhere we go and play. But
yeah, it's all of the synths we've used are really old synths that they don't really like traveling, and they weigh a lot.
I didn't mean those words I said back then. I'm sorry, I will never, ever do that.
Music is our big passion, and therefore you can't just limit yourself to certain things. Now we're working on new projects and other things, and then we're gonna do something new. You know, you always wanna keep developing, but for this album and for the Sound of Arrows, we had a clear vision. After we put out Into the Clouds, we kind of started getting a clear vision of what we wanted to do, and then Vangelis and Voixop and what else? M83, like stuff like that. Yeah, stuff like that was important to us. I think we've been friends for such a long time that I think even though we're somewhat different in personality, when it comes to taste, it's just, I don't think we've ever had a big disagreement. No. You know, you don't agree on every little tiny detail, but the big thing we always think alike. I mean, we've met a lot of the artists we've remixed, but we haven't met Lady Gaga or Nicole Scherzinger or any of the really massive ones. Mm-hmm. But I really like the fact that when I go home to where I'm from in Sweden, everyone just thinks I'm this with Lady Gaga, you know, and it's just funny because they don't understand, or some people don't understand the concept of a remix, they think that we...
So collaboration.
Yes, we worked on Lady Gaga, what do you think of this? Oh, well, Stefan, I think you should do that. Oh, that's a great idea, Lady Gaga. It doesn't really work like that. It's kind of us sitting in the studio, she being out on tour somewhere, not knowing who we are or what we do, and then, yeah.
Come out tonight, are you ready to live?
No, it was great. It's filmed outside of Madrid, in close to a village called Sigüenza, I think it's called. Do you know it?
Yeah.
And we were there for a week, maybe.
It's Oscar did the video
Yeah.
with our friend Andreas.
Yeah. But it was absolutely great experience, and especially the two kids, Miriam and Fernando. Such great, like. We were filming like from 7 in the morning till late at night, and it was so good and like extremely like that they were up for this adventure, just running around for a week.
Well, we're working on a lot of different things right now, but I think definitely we'll put out some new music after summer sometime.
But
So
then, now it's very much because the album is out. We want to go out and play to play the songs. that
Yeah.
people heard it.
But we get restless easy as well. We'll probably end up. Yeah,
Can we expect any festivals for the summer?
hopefully. there will be festivals. Yes.
Okay, that's great.
Hola, somos de Awerpower.
Un saludo para Málaga School.